Okay? So we have been doing a project that you can feel sound, right? Put your hand like this. Sound is vibration. You feel it? And put your hand on my heart. Sound is vibrations. You feel it? And you can hear sound, right? We're going to try something now to see if you can see sound. Ready? Here we go. Can you hear this? Listen. You hear it? This is a tuning fork. It kind of buzzes. In fact, watch what this happens. Go get that bell over there. See that bell? And so I got my tuning fork. Well, let's try the gong. Bring the gong over here. Ready? Here we go. Hold the gong. Now let's get this going. Ready? And here we go. It vibrates. But did you see any sound? Did you see any sound? You saw sound? What did it look like? You felt it, but did you see it? All right, let's try one more time. See if you can see it. Anybody can see it? No, but I think we got to experiment. Now you can see some sound, okay? All right, turn around here, hold this. 2 hands. Get close. You see any sound in there? What if I make noise? See if you can see sound. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Look close, get close. Closer. Put your nose close. Can you see anything? See how it's doing? Let's see. Here we go. Let's see if you can see the sound. 3, 2, 1. See it? What? He said he definitely saw it. But in science, we have to do it twice to prove it. Okay? You don't seem too happy about this. You okay? Okay, here we go. Let's see if you see it again. Ready? Look closely, look closely. Let's give it a